Hey, good morning, traders. How you doing today? Um, I have a fly. You have a fly that just won't go away. Sorry. Uh, so yesterday, after I wrapped up my session, um, yeah, I was waiting for this to come down. Right, we have our impulse leg coming off, and we start to build a shelf. Something like that. We have a nice little pop here. Our wash. It's a tough looking shelf. Whatever. I'm not trying to make things up. And that's the other thing. Is don't make stuff up. But I said I wanted to test here before I sell it on this line. And this is after hour trading. So I'm not trading. I'm just observing. And it would have taken me out, So, uh, yesterday afternoon or yesterday morning, late morning, we had one opportunity on the backside of this one here, right? We have our impulse leg that came down, washed. People are going to argue, but whatever. Um, I think you have to see a chart long enough to understand more about this component. I didn't take this trade. I wasn't here, but I do this in review because this is the practice over and over and over again to get your push-ups in, get your reps in. You want to be able to see this and be like, okay, I can jump into that. And then it took off. This zone here is the kill zone from over here. And all it tells me is that there are buyers lined up. It didn't take it out. There's buyers lined up ready to buy it back up. Now, today will be interesting. Do the buyers hold? Do they keep going, up into this area here, or are they going to push down through it? One of the things I was looking at was our hourly, and look where it's dancing. It's just dancing right on this line here. It's got a nice top to it. All the things that you're looking for in a top. The impulse up, the hard down. They bottom up really fast. They jiggle it around. They drop them off really fast, and then it landed right in here. I'm thinking that it might end up over here. Shoot, it could end up down here. Look at these last pullbacks here. If you're a measured move person like I am, that see, so that could be that. I don't know. I didn't play this out before I read it, but anyhow, those are my thoughts. I'm watching. I'm observing. I'm I'm not eager to trade. It's about 25 minutes till the market opens, and I'm going to watch because I'm not sure exactly which way this thing's going to go, but based off of what I just said. Um, and I don't know if you guys saw this one too. It just jumps out at you after a while. You start seeing all the opportunities. And remember, yesterday we didn't get tested here until here, and that's why this trade works. And that's why this trade was probably your best trade of the day, coming in there. And you could have even gone, down into here. I'm just trying to strictly stay 3-to-1 right now, just to keep myself consistent. There's more 3-to-1 trades than there's 4 to 5-to-1. There's more 2-to-1. There's more 1-to-1. But your opportunities, your win rate has to be at a percentage that sustains your ability to hit the 1-to-1s. If you're a 60, 70, 80% trader, 1-to-1s are going to work better. 2-to-1s are going to work better. A lot of people don't like to sit through some of this stuff. I'd certainly get a little weird. I'm kind of like, do I want to tighten my stop? Do I want to, that's all your own. I can't tell you how you're going to do that. That's up to you. That's how you're going to have to hold your water and practice and practice and practice and practice to push your win rate up to what it is, document, and go from there. So I'm going to map out this zone again, just to remind me that we're in a zone. This is where they got caught. My gut feeling, I think they're going to go down. My bias right now is they're going to end up, down in here. somewhere and then bounce around and then figure out what they're going to do. So, and then I don't know if there's any news coming out. One of the things you can do, one of the things that I do is I go to Forex Factory and I just go to the calendar and then I look for, what's going on. Today's Wednesday. We've got employment and the Aussie. So there's really nothing that's coming up. Thursday's got some stuff, core retail sales. So yeah, 8:30, 11:30, you're going to see some action, some price action going on there, and then Friday housing starts at 5:30. So yeah, we don't trade there. 12:10. This guy speaks. It's not going to be anything significant. So just stay out of trouble. Keep yourself grounded. Map your swings. Map your market. And just stay relaxed. I mean, this is I don't have to trade. This isn't life or death here. This is you reading a market and taking advantage of opportunities when they show up. All right, go get them. We'll talk later.